Here I have Crosscall Core M5, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after device turns off completely, what you will have to do is to hold down combination power key plus volume down. And when the device screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. So here at the following menu, you should use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you should select an option wipe cache partition. Then select yes to confirm, and after you see the message cache wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.